Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Grimace and Biollante from Godzilla together as one character. Okay, so let's go through the whole thing right about now. Alright, let's go over how to draw Grimace merged with Biollante. So let's get started, just straight up. It's going to be, like I said, step by step. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to start with the top of the head. It's going to be kind of the grimace portion of that, right? Going to pull down. Kind of, it gets bigger as it goes outward. It goes wider. And pull outward over here, again, for that grimace portion. And I think for this one, we're going to carry it all the way down, one side at least, right? All the way down. And over here on this side, excuse me, coughing, I'm going to actually pull it like right here, curve, because he's got that stomach thing that Biollante has. All right, so far so good. Going to go over here now, circle for one of the eyes, one of the Grimace's eyes. For the, the grimace portion. By the way, if you can think of a name for this character and put it in the comment section, I'm gonna pin it. So, like, absolutely, if you come up with one, the best one I'll pin. Another circle on this side. So an angle over here, off here, an angle over here, kind of for the drooping grimace eyes. Circle over here, circle over here. Over here on the top, curve around. Over here, curve around, right there. Filling this out, like so. I'm filling this out on this side, like so. All right. Let's go over here to the mouth. We're going to have that cleft in the middle, the way Grimace has. Over here, line around the edges. Down over here, curve underneath, pull up for kind of that little smiley kind of face that he has. But we are going to change it. So now, in the mouth, we're going to draw sharp kind of teeth right there to kind of take from Biollante's influence right here. Okay, doke. So far so good. Then curve line over here for that first arm. I'm gonna pull it up. Line around the other side for the arm in the back. Line around here for this side. And line around here for this side. So we got the arms so far, right? And so let's go to the bottom. Going for the bottom of the body. And now we're gonna get in and we're gonna make him much, more dimensional, right? We're gonna make him a little. We're gonna throw on these extra details. Before that, though, if you ever want to learn something cute, get the Cute Starter ebook. The ebook is 20 pages. It teaches you everything you need to learn how to draw something cute, like chibi, cartoons. Those 90% of them have the exact same formula, and I kind of put that into an ebook for you to use on your own stuff. Whether you're looking at it on the phone or the computer, or if you want to print it out, it's already sized out to print out. It goes through the steps of making something cute or chibi, and that is incredibly valuable for some people. I know some people it's a big deal, and so if you think about it really quick, like, what makes something cute? Like, really think about that. What is the essence of, like, cute drawing or, like, chibi drawing? There's a lot of different things. There's curvature of line, there's mood, but the number one technical thing is proportion. Proportion. I don't mean like how big you make it on the paper or how small it is on the paper. That has nothing to do with it. It is proportion, how big one thing is compared to the other in the same drawing. So usually they'll have bigger heads and smaller bodies. That's very, very common, right? But how big do you make that head? And we go through those distinctions with little charts, and like how cute do you exactly want to make it? What do the hands look like? Are they little nubs? Sometimes they're nubs. Sometimes they're like cartoonish style hands. There are options that I give you in that book. It is all chart stuff. So out of the 20 pages, like 19 of it is all visual stuff to look at. It's all learning like that. And then I think there's one page of like a little bit of writing. So we're all visual learners. I've sold thousands of these for like $30. But since you're watching this right now, of course, I made the video I made the ebook completely free. So the only thing you have to do is go down, if you want to pick one up, go down to the description, click, sign up for the email list, and then as soon as you do that, you're going to get an automated, download link in order for you to download that ebook, and you can have it. You can have it in a few minutes. So I kind of say that if you have that ebook, you can use it like immediately. Like you can literally use it like that day, just to draw something cute. And you're like, oh wow, and it comes out pretty good because most of what's in it is just kind of what to do, like learning, like proportions. And it's not even stuff you really have to practice for. That's the thing. It's shortcutting a lot of that stuff. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Go check that out. I'm not going to have it up forever. Especially I'm not going to have it up free forever. So go get that when you can. And that's it. So let's go back into the lesson. All right. All right. So we're going to draw his... we're going to make the arms, we're going to give a little bit of thickness to it. So I'm going to draw kind of a trail into those arms right there. Right? Same thing over here. Just all of them are going to have a little bit of a thickness to it. It gets bigger as it gets back to the, the area over here. Curve line over here. Line underneath his chin there. And I'm going to draw like a little bit of something for that orb on the chest. So just draw maybe kind of some octagons, or it doesn't, like, think about it like rocks. And it's just supposed to show like a netting. Draw maybe some to the corner there. And it's supposed to, what you're really trying to focus on is those little positive areas right there, the lines. Kind of like you're drawing a web, but it's not as careful as like a web. All right. Something like that would be good enough. You can draw little thin curved lines around there to show some of the organicness of the character. There we go. And let's draw a little crab-like area. See, it looks like a crab, but with teeth in it. Like a crab claw. Over here, see, like a crab claw. And we're going to draw some teeth in it. Same thing over here on this side. Kind of crab claw. Teeth inside. And then over here, I got to draw the shake. Maybe like he's got like a cup in his hand over here with a straw at the top. So maybe like that Grimace shakes in one. Like real tiny right there. But just to kind of keep it going on in there. Line over here, curve, curve, curve. Line over here, and there we go. That is Grimace merged with Biollante from Godzilla. You can always draw a little extra stuff right here, so he's gonna have like maybe some fins on the side right there, because Biollante has some fins. Draw a little line right there. But the cool part is it's the character's kind of like made of plants, right? So it's kind of like there's a lot going on there you could toy with. Line over here, line over here. And there you go. what I want you to do is I want you to share this video if you can, but also I want you to stick around, and we're gonna draw another thing together. Okay, I want you to stick around, and we're gonna draw something else together. So let's do it right now. Let's jump into the next lesson immediately. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.